Habayakran bagi nong patai kubor Menteri Tnad Excise ubak kermen cela ulaong bagi Tnad Excise kalapa eka Tyrwa ban sedang no eka Digitalisation banlum tikena eka jingkhein kamtam habakiwi bagi jelaru kilakio hak jingi olum khajna leng bagi Tnad Excise. Ubak kermen cela ulaong bagi don kejinglat bean joka khajna hak jela. Hendrai on dalam penterekam eka Digitalisation on setiap lakadon nekam don kejinglat bean joka khajna. Habakali la kajing dek yat bean kaktaan em kajing olum khajna ke sorkar. Ubak kermen cela ulong ba empat la ban pensisa. Hendrai la daki nong dia kitiet ya kakiat nagi dukan dek yat kan kata ye. Hendrai la no satang la daki litiet nagi bondet nagi kudam bokyat ne nabar jong kejela.
Actually ya kini jing de bean ya ngam not banong exactly ke jing do nomor katkum ke jing tip jonga. Ya lada kini badi hakitukan kithet na po wine store ke leakage hangta kamdon ke loss of revenue kanamdon hare lada kini pat ki badi hadukan ki shim ya ke source ki from where else you let's say na bar ke state or else direct na ki bonded dan hangta ke kata kamtam ki retailer but kumjur ya ke state hi kamtam lada ki yo direct na ki bottling unit te hangta ngingkwa ba kini ki bottling unit kan don ke leakage lani kini ki nong di ro bikin ten na gitu hoi no doubt ngim I license kini ki nong di hadukan bikin jadi re lagatar when it comes to revenue so ke banga setu tharai kan don hi kata ka jingdo ya ka revenue jong state lada ki shim ki mar na po na kini ki wine store kini ki bonded they are not authorized to sell it to public kinum la bandi kin habdi direct ya ki wine store only nomor kandon de jing kenjing dia telada yo let's say nomor kumbanga omanta ngin padon ya kata computerization te yo let's say ka don ne yo let's say kanum don ro te dala implement ya kini ka ayu project hang tangin satip ka la judon ne am they become judon that means nothing change. If there is, then everything will be same. Tip ya kata Henry ka nalen jong department jong ni persang ya kata kenapa nomor hang ni kan don ke costing mo jong ke project te kata costing bidang wat kilat kilanti kenapa kanum kata ya ke revenue jong ni plus ke jing lujing step lada ki company ki ba introduce ya kene ni kwa ya ki bakin wat kilat kilanti ban find alternative ba ndena ka state exchequer ya kini kijing lujing step so yakini ngidang persang hadu mentangin panut ban over exactly whether ke finance department will accept it or not so tangkata diga hope jongi na ke department hopefully finance department ke planning they'll have a longkin page bnia ma yakini ke outcome kala ban long ka benefits ke state jongi
Hakabayday bat ki election MP sa Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Ubak kermen cela ubalong menteri sorkar bat unang yalam keseng UDP. Ula penpawe ke jingkermen ba ukertong yang monlang ke RDA ubak Robert Jun Karjaarin. Un job ikini ki election bat ulaong babarok kat sangut ki MLA na ke UDP bat HSPDP ken trish tam na kebenta ukertong ke RDA ba un job iki election. Ubak kermen cela ula kenturu iki patba ba menta kekenti ken ailat keseng UDP kenang bekentip lakala ne em banlap haki yang dorbar tauan parlimen.
All the candidates who will be contesting any election, not only just the MP, but what I feel, a candidate when he stands for any election, when he contests, with the hope that he will be the winner. The same thing for us also, we are fighting to win the election, and we will request the public how we have been doing. We will, if they give us a chance to serve, then only they'll know whether we can do it or not. So I feel it's a high time for the people of the state to give one chance to the UDP in the in the umbrella of RDA, so that our candidate to go and perform in the parliament. So for this, I would like to request that for people of the state, please kindly support us. So we will show them that we also can be a leader, not only just in the state, even in the Delhi itself, in the parliament. We used to think it that way. So until unless you try to fly, you'll not be able to fly if you have wings also. So to be able to fly, you have to try. Then for that, you have to get the opportunity. So until unless you have the opportunity to fly, you'll not be able to fly. You'll just keep sitting and thinking that I cannot fly. So the same thing with us. Until unless they give us a chance. So how can they say that? Give us one time, then only you can say that, oh, we end up just in Meghalaya. People know it better whom to choose, when and how. So for this, we don't have any fear of any party who's the candidate against us. We will not mind if there are hundreds or thousands of candidates contesting. Our motive is that the UDP candidate under the umbrella of RTA, he should be the winner. We are not against those people that are doing something wrong to them so that they lose the election. Our motive is that to win the election. Their losing is keep it aside. We don't mind. They lose, they win. We have nothing to do with that. But we have only one thing to do is that our candidate should win.